Hello, welcome to Virtual Roll Call Briefing version 7.0. My name is Octavio and my senior partner is Daniel Neal. Our product owners are Jason Cohen and Frank, and our instructor is Dr. Masoud Sajadi. So what are the problems with the current version? We need a new user type that has the same privileges and rights as an administrator, but isn't an officer, and therefore isn't required to read and click on every single document posted, like other officers are required to do. All users should be redirected to the dashboard on login, straight to the documents. Police department logo, title, and name should be customizable so that other police departments can onboard and give it whatever names they want. An administrative user should be able to post videos to VRC. So adding a new place where we can see videos, post and see videos. The tab names for reference documents and videos should be customizable, and the same for watch orders, because other departments might have different names for those. So remove the 2 MB cap on documents uploaded. This one's very important because right now VRC is very limited on the number of documents it can upload, because documents above 2 MB cannot be uploaded. So we need to fix that. And supervisors should be able to send messages to other officers without having to upload a document. They should be able to do it from VRC. So this is what we did in version 7.0 to address most of those issues. Management user. So now we have a user that is just like the administrator, but we call it management. And every single time a document is posted, management users will see them as already being read. So that's it. They're not required to read the doc to click on them. Every user is redirected to the dashboard once they log in. And many things are customizable now from the site settings. So that way now new departments can onboard and give names to a lot of things however they like. A new videos tab has been added, so new links can be posted to this tab, and you can click on them and a new tab opens to the link. So the tab is called videos right now, but in reality you can post any link. So other departments might use it for posting other different types of links. But for Pinecrest, they want to use it for videos. A solution was found for the document upload cap. So all you have to do is go to the PHP configuration settings and you can change the upload cap there. So you need to change the post max size and the upload max size. Those are the two settings you need to change so that you can upload documents that are larger than 2 MB. So right now for Pinecrest, we have it set at 100 MB. So that allows them to basically upload any PDF out there. And now you can add and retrieve free text from the database, but you cannot read them necessarily. So that still needs to be changed. So notice here, free text, those first two words. So you're supposed to go and create a category called free text, just like this, free text. And then you go to the supervisor tab and try to post free messages. And they will automatically go to the free text category. So far that's good. But once you click on the actual document posted, the actual square posted, which represents the free text, it doesn't have the same reading experience. You cannot see the text, and you cannot see the status changes for pending and reviewed and done. So all of that still needs to be worked. But at least we have the information in the database and retrieved to the front end as well. These are use cases. So we have the ability to view documents for officers, post documents, view videos, and post them and look at them, delete them. And here we can customize settings, and the management user is based on administrator, and they don't have to read every document posted. This is the database design. This is generated from PHP-MyAdmin, so you can go and regenerate it there and look at it more closely and move the tables around. Otherwise, just take a moment to look at this and understand it. For the future, we need to create the same reading experience for free messages, as I said before, and universal search. So in the dashboard, we should have the ability to search for documents. So think about implementing those. Another thing that we need to think of, new teams should start thinking about, is migrating the technology stack. So right now we're using AngularJS and PHP and SQL. So you can see how some of those needs to be updated. AngularJS is quickly becoming obsolete, so that should, at least that ASAP, as soon as possible, should be updated to something way more modern. So I recommend React.js. And I'm sure you'll agree too. For the backend, PHP can be nice, but I recommend using something way more modern than PHP, like C# with way better features. But the backend can be updated more slowly later on. The front end is the one that should be updated as quickly as possible, because it's becoming increasingly difficult to add new features to the front end because it's written in AngularJS, which has a pretty big learning curve. It's hard to understand. It's kind of weird, and all compared to React.js. And also, right now it looks like spaghetti code. So I recommend updating it as soon as possible and making sure you design the new front end better. So that's it. Thank you very much.